Technology to help pass exams. In a previous section, I've looked at revision and preparing for exams, but this section is all about technology you can use on the day of the exam itself. In the UK, I think a lot of people know that some students can be laptop users in exams. It's a relatively easy access arrangement to get. And if you have the possibility of being able to type for your exams, I would say seize it with both hands and learn to type quickly and accurately, because every formal exam is not just a test of knowledge, it is also a test of speed. So anything you can do to improve the amount of words you can write in that finite period, the better. What a lot of people don't know is that you can have electronic readers in exams. Now, electronic readers is where a device reads to you. And if you want to know more about this, I would suggest you look at the Reading to Learn section of the channel. Having an electronic reader in exams can be life-changing for certain students, because if a student is entitled to a reader, that reader cannot read the English comprehension part of any formal exams, because the whole point of the exam is to test English comprehension. And yet those same students can use an electronic reader because it's classed as independent work. And yet very few schools use it. Passing English GCSE is a huge deal. And I'm sure there are equivalents in different countries, but without that basic English qualification, you are very limited in what you can go on to do in further and higher education. And I am convinced there are very talented students who were not able to get on the courses where they would have shone and flown and used their talents because they didn't have that basic English qualification. So if you are a student or you know of a student that struggles with English, I would really recommend they get to be a laptop user in exams and they use an electronic reader in exams. And if that means badgering your school or changing and doing the exam at an exam centre that supports electronic readers, I would really recommend doing that, because if you pass that exam, it opens up doors to so many other opportunities. In this section, you can find out more information on these access arrangements and how to use them in exams. I do hope you found this video useful. Please share it with anyone you know who could benefit. I'd be very grateful if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as doing so really helps others find this information. If you hit the bell button once you've subscribed, you'll be notified when I create new videos. I've produced some comprehensive free resources to help dyslexics achieve. Details on how to download them are below. Let's work together to help all learners achieve.